गोंय रान खातें 6 ते 8 फेब्रुवारी 2026 मजगती वाळपय हांगसर गोंयचो 9वो पक्षी महोत्सव घडोवन हाडपाचे आसा. उक्तावण सुवाळ्याक मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे मुखेल सोयरे आसतले. 3 दिसांच्या महोत्सवात वांटो घेवचो आनी एक उमेदीचो अणभव घेवचो. ह्या कार्यक्रमाचे मुखेल लक्ष म्हादय वन्यजीव अभयारण्याचेर आसतले, अशें रान संरक्षक अंकित कुमार हांणी सांगलां. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
I am Ankit Kumar, Deputy Conservator of Forest, Research and Utilization Division, Forest Department, Government of Goa. So this year, Goa Forest Department is organizing the 9th Bird Festival, which is a state festival. It is being organized from 6th February to 8th February 2026 at Valpoi Forest Training School. And our main focus for the bird festival is the Madai Wildlife Sanctuary. The chief guest in the inaugural function will be our Honorable Forest Minister Shri Vishwajit P. Rane. For participation in the bird festival, one can do online registration. The link of the website is www.birdfestival.goa.gov.in. So there are two kinds of delegates, student delegate and festival delegates, and both can do the registration online. In case there are any difficulties, helpline number is given, so we can help you do the registration if you are facing any problems in online registration. At the bird festival, there will be several types of events. So first event, there will be session by experts. So these experts will be giving lectures of duration 1 hour spread across the 3 days of the bird festival. Apart from that, in the morning and evening on the bird festival days, we'll be having birding activities. So we'll take you inside the forest area and the participants will do bird watching. Apart from these bird watching and sessions by expert, we'll also have quiz session, and also there will be video screening. In all, it will be a smooth and holistic experience for the participants at the bird festival. For the delegates, food will be arranged at the venue. For the student delegates, the food and stay is free at the venue. Also for birding, we will provide buses for transportation. Till date, 167 participants have registered for the festival, and we hope that this year it will be a successful event. On the inaugural night, that is on 6th February, after the inaugural function, in the evening we'll have a cultural night. So we have involved a local group to do cultural function. So I request all the bird enthusiasts of Goa and across the country to participate in the 9th Bird Festival of Goa, and we, the Forest Department of Government of Goa, will ensure that it will be a exhilarating experience for all of you. Thank you.